What if I told you that achieving success in your life is just about getting started? And what if I also told you it's so easy to just begin? Hi, I am Preeti and welcome to my new channel. And here, yes, this new channel is name is still in working, but here you can find a mix of gym workout and educational inspiration and motivational content. It sounds interesting, right? Okay. As I said you that it's so easy to just get started. So I am here just taking the challenge of 21-day workout. Yes. And here is it's all about for a flat stomach body, flat stomach. And it's the day 0. So I just went to the ChatGPT and where I just 21-day workout challenge search get prompt and it just gave me some workouts. Here is the workout just I did for the 5 minutes. It's the day 1, not day 1, it's the day 0. If I do the next day, then it's going to be day 1. And let's see if I am completing this challenge or not. Let's say thrive with me. So let's start. Jumping jack, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Standing knee to chest, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now plank for 20 seconds. Slowly I have to be count here plank. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now Russian twist for 30 Russian twist. Here fold your knees and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now leg raises for 20 reps. Here it is. You have to lie down and straight. Let me fix the camera. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's challenging. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Here is the challenge and the last one. Then bending knee to chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Complete. So this is the day 0 of the 21-day challenge, and let's see if I am able to complete it or not. See you soon in the next video.